Hey everyone, it's Deborah. Welcome to Daisy Deb Crafts. So we made the cute little candy mini albums, or not mini albums, notebooks, and we had all of this leftover scraps. Let me show you what we're going to make with them. I think it's cute. My desk is a mess after crafting earlier, so bear with me. But I decided, okay, I'm going to make tea favors some way, somehow. And I have all of these gift tags from the Dollar Tree that I purchased this year. Let me show them to you, because we're going to make that, glue that little card to it and make a cute little tea favor with all of our scraps. But anyway, let me show you the rest of the Dollar Tree tags that I've purchased this year, because I do make things out of them, obviously. And here is the one that I'm using. And so let's get to work and I'll show you how to do it. It is so simple. Oh, and these are the bags I'm using. I will put a link to these. I believe I bought them off of Amazon. Anyway, all I'm doing is taking the print cuts that were left over. They're the 6 inches wide, okay? Anything that's 6 inches wide and that can make a pocket. And this is, guys, this couldn't be easier than, I mean, it's so easy. All I'm going to do, and of course you need tea, is fold it over. Okay, we're just making a pocket. You don't need any extra tools or anything. This is going to be easy. And all you're going to do is glue down at the bottom. Glue these two sides, the bottom and the side. Okay, you don't have to get any fancier than this. This is going to be something, a quick gift. Maybe you're just going to spread some kindness to people and make these and hand them out when you're out shopping or something like that. You know, something just real simple. Or you could sell these at craft fairs for sure. So let me grab a tea. I thought I had a bunch. Yep, I do. So I'm just going to find a tea that matches. And guys, all I'm going to do, well, first I'm going to find that, I'm going to use that tea, and then I'm going to find what matches this that would look cute on here. And I'm going to go with a stocking because it's going to give enough contrast. And all you have to do, it already has the little self-adhesive foam dot on it. And all you have to do is pop this on here. Super cute. You can write a little note. The person who buys this or whatever can write a little note. Actually, that's not gluing down enough. Okay, let me put a little bit more glue. I could actually put another piece of foam tape, but I don't have any, and I'm just trying to, I don't have anything near me. It's not that I don't have any, I just don't have it near me, and I wanted to make them these super easy. So all you're going to do is pop that tea bag in there, make sure the name, you can see the name, and grab your little bag and put that in there. Well, maybe the tag's getting stuck on it. Oh boy, tag came off. Okay, you definitely may want to get your foam tape out and add a little bit more foam tape to that to keep it from snagging on the envelope. But these are just going to be something real simple you can make. Gosh, these would be great for a craft show. I'm going to contact my friend and see if she wants some of these for sure, because I'm going to make the rest of them. Okay, and then you're going to add a topper. So I don't want to use this paper for the topper. I want to use like the other And this is a little bit more than 3.5 wide. So let me go ahead and trim it down. You may have to go and get, or you can just use the other, you know, scraps from this collection. And so then to cut it down, and then I'm going to cut that white off, that white part, and fold this over. Add that, and I'm just going to put one staple in the middle. Gosh, I'm not organized. Yeah, I was like, this stuff is sitting here, all these scraps, and I can't let it stay. And so I'm just adding one of these little stickers. This is from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just adding one right there to cover that up. And look how cute. So stinking cute. Guys, you could sell these for like $1 each at the craft fair and at your craft fair, or give them out as neighbor gifts or whatever, coworker gifts. They're so stinking cute. I'm going to finish making all of them. I just wanted to share this with you since we did make a lot of scraps today. And I wanted to make sure that we used up those scraps. So let me get to work and I'll show you the rest of the ones I made. Okay, here's the scraps that I have left over. And I did use quite a few of these tags. I have, well, you know, quite a few, those Dollar Tree tags. So let's go through and show you what I made. This was fun. I still have a few I need to finish, but these are cute. So you don't have to put the sticker on there if you don't want to. Just do a topper, and that's what I did with that. And this one, I think they're still very cute. And then this one, the tag kind of, you know, does all the decoration for it. Here's another one. Look at the back of it. The back of it even looks cute. You know, just to give you an idea. And the teas that I'm using, you've seen me use these before. I will put a link if they're available on Amazon. But look how cute. That one's the salted caramel. More of the peppermint bark tea. And you can see the back of it. And ginger snappish. Another ginger snappish. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I figured this out, because those scraps were bothering me from the candy box mini notebook. They were really bothering me. And then, of course, these are the ones that I put the deer on them. Those were the ones I made on camera. Or one of them I made on camera. But anyway, there you go. Something cute, a way to use those scraps. And I just have all of this left over now. And have no clue what I will do with all that. We shall see. Alright guys, y'all have a great day. Bye.